Look at this. 6 pounds, 12 ounces.
You on the Hank Coffee YouTube channel, man. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? It's been a little while. I played some Kramers a while back on my channel, but they were used guitars. They were super heavy. They all needed frets, and I sold them all. But I was watching some of them videos, and I was like, man, the Kramers look pretty cool. Maybe I should get another one. They got this in burnt orange or something. I don't know the exact name. There's one in blue, like a metallic blue. This color here is called Maximum something. I think it's Maximum Steel. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, it's a metallic gunmetal gray kinda. It's pretty awesome. I don't know if it's showing up well. The reason why I got this one, well, first of all, because it was super light. The orange ones were high 7s, 8 pounds, and the blue ones, I think, were high 7s. There's two more of these that are low 7s. I'm talking about pounds. And this is just the lone one that was 6 pounds, 12 ounces. I was like, dude, yeah. And then I would have got this color anyway because I like a matching headstock. And of course, they don't do a matching headstock on this model. If you look, they're all black. So that's the way to get a matching headstock, is just to get the black one. Even though, you know, there's no metallic flake in this headstock, but from a distance it looks matching. When I unboxed this guitar a little bit ago, it came strung with 10 through 46. The action was fairly high on it, like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, considerably high. It was in tune and everything. I used 9 through 42. I checked those strings out a little bit, lowered the action, but I eventually just snipped them off because I don't like 10s. If you like 10s, you're good to go. Maybe lower the action a little bit. I had to adjust the truss rod on it because it had a little bit of bow in it. As you can see, I took the truss rod cover off. I may leave it off. It depends on how often I have to adjust this thing because I don't want to just keep screwing in and out the plate and then stripping the screws out. I'd rather just leave the plate off of it. A lot of people do this. Kramer, put like a barrel truss rod adjuster in here. That would be awesome. This thing has binding all the way around the neck. It's a neck through. It's got the Allen wrenches on the back, of course, this holder. These tuners aren't the best in the world. When I was restringing this thing and tuning it up and down, it was like kick, 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 kick. It's like, you're tuning fine. You go back the other way, click. This is a Floyd Rose 1000. And of course, this would be the locking nut for that, I'm assuming. This is an ebony fretboard. It's got the little shark teethy thingies, whatever you call that. It's got Kramer right there on the 12th fret, 24 frets. These are Seymour Duncan pickups, 2 cool rails. This is a JB. They don't have Seymour Duncan on them, but that's what they're supposed to be. Nothing is push-pull. Volume, tone, 5-way selector switch. This is a coil split. I was listening to it. I think this coil split only works the JB. I cannot hear any difference on the cool rails. If it splits the cool rails also, I don't hear anything at all changing, and a cool rail must sound exactly the same on one of its rails. I kind of like how this jack is moved further down. My other Kramers that I had, the jack was like right here. I don't know, it's weird. You would think this would be in the way. You know, if you hold your guitar like this, maybe that's a Stage Master SM-1 type thing. This is, of course, the back plate and control cavity. It's got the slots here where you can get to the screws that adjust the trim claw thingy. What else is there to say about it? The neck, it's not super thin like a Jackson Soloist. You might call that a D or a modern C. The frets, at the very most, these are medium jumbos, but I don't even think they're that. they are tall. So it still feels cool, you know, your fingers are up off of the board a little bit. It's not super drastic like a scallop neck type feel, you know. Brand new tall frets. With tall frets, it's easy to tap and all that stuff. I'll show you some of the tonal characteristics of the pickup configuration. This is plugged direct into an audio interface, nothing else, and it's a camera mic. I'm not giving you the direct signal because I've found that this camera mic sounds better than just a straight DI. This should give you an idea in room, coming out of speakers running direct. Straight humbucker. Coil split. Cool rail middle and the humbucker. Middle cool rail. Middle neck. Straight neck. Coil split doesn't really do anything on the cool rails. Here's the neck. Coil split. Nothing is changing. But one thing you can do is you could go coil split bridge and the middle one too. Let's check that out. Bridge, coil split, introduce the middle pickup. That's like real spanky sounding. Just for tone comparison, I'm just playing stupid stuff. Bridge humbucker. Coil split. Bridge pickup, middle pickup. Coil split it. Straight middle pickup. Middle neck. Straight neck. You won't be able to tell that much with this, but here is just kind of like a straight distortion tone. Bridge pickup. Bridge middle. Straight middle. Middle neck. Neck. Bridge coil split. When you're coil splitting the bridge, it kind of goes to that Yngwie rhythm sound, so it could be like to a. It's hardly even noticeable, but it sounds like Yngwie playing rhythm. All right, I'm going to improvise a song with this thing just so you can get an idea of what it sounds like in a mix and stuff. So this is just one take, no do-overs. There you go. All right, hold on. My thoughts of this guitar is it's totally awesome. There's no imperfections in the finish or anything. The setup suffers with this. For a guitar in this price range, it should be set up better. But they gotta cut corners somewhere, I guess. I don't know. So expect that if you buy a new Kramer. They're probably not gonna be set up very well. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you would like to see more unboxing videos in the future, look at this. 6 pounds, 12 ounces. I just had to throw that in there. So yeah, comment and like and all of that stuff if you want to help me with the YouTube algorithm. If not, don't. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and click the notification bell. You guys have a good one. Until next time.